Hello and welcome to ServanTek's online tutorials. My name is Kristen Hiller and today we'll be looking at the general structure of our site and how to organize our content using the section manager and the category manager. In order to get to the section manager, we're going to scroll over to the content menu item on our control panel and we'll look at the drop down. We see that we have the section manager as well as the category manager listed here. If we click on the section manager, this is where we'll see the three sections that we've currently set up for this particular website, and we have the option of adding more by clicking the New button in the upper right hand corner. If we wanted to create a new section, we could give it a name. We could also add a description, which would really come in handy if we were going to use a section blog layout for a menu item. If we wanted to have a description for that section that would appear at the top of the page, we could specify that here. We're just going to cancel out of this one and go into the category manager now. So you can see how these categories fit into the sections. If you look at the three categories that we've already set up for this website, we've got About, Ministries, and Latest News. But if you scroll over to the right, you'll notice that we have set up separate sections that these categories are placed within. So the About and Ministries categories are both within the main section of the website. And then we have this Latest News category, which falls within the Student Ministries section of the website. So these latest news items would be specifically for the latest news or latest happenings in the Student Ministries section. Now if we were to create a new category, we'll just open this up so that you can see what it looks like. But you'll notice if you give your category a title, then you can go down and select the section that you want to assign the category to. So you'll see in this drop-down we have all three sections that we've already established for the site, and when we create a new category, we can assign it to one of these sections. Now this comes in handy when we go into the article manager. Under content, you're going to go to the first item, the article manager, when we want to assign articles to a specific category or section. So if we were to create a new article, we could click the New button and we could fill in our content into the main text area, and then we would have the option of selecting the section we want to use. We can leave it as uncategorized, or we can choose to assign it to any of the three sections that we've created, and once we choose one of those sections, say it was going to go into the main section, we could then choose if we wanted it to be filtered further into the About section, About category, or the Ministries category, which are both within the main section. Now, like I said earlier, these come in handy when you're using a blog layout, because these sections and categories tell the menu item exactly where to find the articles that you want to put on the page. So these are very important in structuring your website, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us at servantek.org. Thanks for joining us today.